Alright, is this live? Doink, 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 doink. Okay, it is currently September 26th and we are in Arizona. We are here in our little motel. There's Tina. And this is our Lego themed bedroom. So we got we got the Batman. Yo, this is a great movie. Have you seen this movie? Lego Batman? I forgot who was in it, but great stuff. I remember laughing every minute. And then this is over here, Ninjago. I also later learned today that it might actually be called Ninja Go, but I've been calling it Ninjago. Never seen it?
Ninjago's got a good ring to it, but
yeah.
I just wasn't sure what it meant.
Cool thing about these beds is that it's all matches with the wall art. So, like literally it's the same thing.
We thought every room might have its own theme, but then a bunch of other rooms just have like nature, like landscapes on the walls. I don't know if we got a special one.
Yeah, we got a special deal. Legos are cool. And then look at this art piece here. Tina, what'd you say yesterday? You said
That was nonsense.
no, this is probably like a ancestral art. Ego.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
It's a bird. Those are the clouds, and those are the mountains. Oh yeah, look at these little details.
The shower curtain is Lego, so we're the lucky ones with the Lego room.
Fortunately, the toilet isn't Lego. So anyway, so we're currently here at Arizona, and it is currently 5 o'clock in the morning. We woke up around 4:15, just kind of getting things ready, but we're heading over to Havasupai, which is a 10-mile hike down to this beautiful waterfall. Havasupai means the blue-green water. People from the water green. And these are indigenous. So we're currently on reservation land right now, and super excited, my first time here. And this is actually Tina's first time going to be camping out there. So we're gonna be pitching out tents. We got our bags here already. We've been practicing for this day. Yeah, so here's my bag. It's pretty heavy. Got my first aid kit here. We got a part of the tent. Everything's all packed. We got food here for about 3 days worth of supply, maybe 2.5, depends on how fast we eat our rations. Here's Tina's bag. And it feels like it's about 25 to 30 pounds. So we practiced hiking with weights in the past. And so hopefully today will be a true testament of that. So we'll see. So we're about to head out. We're gonna do some final packing, and we're gonna head out to a rental minivan, and we're gonna drive out about an hour over to the trailhead. So wish us luck.
Yes.
Bye. We're gonna head out. It's so quiet up here. Spin time.
Do a spin for me. All right, we're at the hilltop. About to start. Wish us luck.
Alrighty, let's get going. So journey begins at Havasupai Hilltop. It's a starting point for the hike down to Havasupai Falls. And it's an elevation of around 5,200 feet. Here we're currently standing at the very rim of the Grand Canyon here in Arizona and about to descend down to the very depth. So the trail from Hualapai Hilltop to Supai Village is roughly around 8 to 9 miles. And it's a pretty challenging hike, especially here in the beginning, because it's a very steep switchback. And that switchback is very, very rocky. You gotta make sure you have really good hiking shoes. I have a shoe that I've been wearing for quite a bit some time. It's got some really good ankle support. We've got our hiking sticks, and you just gotta be very mindful of what we're stepping into and not be too distracted by this breathtaking view, as you can tell. And as we navigate the switchback, we're kind of taken back by the enormity of the Grand Canyon that surrounds us. Like every single angle, everywhere you look is just a breathtaking view. I think what we're really fascinated by is just the topography of the different rocks that you can see, and it just kind of really showcases the geological history of this place, and it's a very humbling experience in my opinion. Which way? Morning.
Mm-hmm. Wave. We made it to mile 5. Still alive. Whoa. All these pockets. We're almost to the village.
We're like 5.5 miles in, I believe.
5 more to go. 2-ish miles. We should get to the village soon in like 2-ish miles.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm bent down. Oh, shit. We're like shooting downwards.
I don't know if you're in the frame or not.
I don't know either.
How are you feeling, Tina?
Sore. Ready to have like a cold drink. Maybe in the village. How are you feeling?
I feel great.
Really?
I could do this like 10 times. Feel good. No, I'm kidding. I'm sorry. I'm ready to die. My legs are sore. I ate all the rations.
What? We still have 2 days.
I thought you said 2 hours.
We screwed.
I got fire ants in my pants. But I got nothing. So after what seems like 6 hours of hiking, we finally reached the Supai village. And this is really the heart of the Havasupai reservation, where the Havasupai people have lived among generations and generations. And here we are. We're now following the Havasu Creek, and we're doing a little creek crossing. So now we're gonna head over to the waterfall.